In today's video, we'll show you how to place pending orders on MetaTrader 5. Let's get started. Simply navigate to the MarketWatch window on the left side of the platform. Here you'll see a list of available instruments. To place a trade, simply right-click on the instrument you wish to trade and click on New Order. This will bring up the order window where you can fill in all the necessary details. If you want to change the instrument, you can do so right here. To place a pending order, select Pending Order from the Type drop-down menu. Next, choose the type of pending order: buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, or sell stop limit from the drop-down. Choose the lot size you want to trade. Now, set the price at which you want the pending order to be triggered. Remember, the basic sell limit and buy stop are set above the market price. Buy limit and sell stop are set below the market price. If you set it incorrectly, the option to place the order will turn gray, and you won't be able to place it. Setting the price is a key part of setting a pending order. The trade will only be executed if the market reaches the price you specify. Optionally, you can set the stop loss and take profit levels based on your trading strategy. You can also choose a specific expiration date and time, or leave it as good till canceled GTC order. Once everything is set, click Place, and the pending order will be created. To view the status of your pending order, navigate to the Trade tab located in the toolbox window at the bottom of the platform. You can also view the pending order line directly on the chart window. If the pending order line isn't visible, you can enable it easily from the toolbar at the top. Simply go to Tools, then click on Options, and a new window will appear. Navigate to the Charts tab and check the box labeled Show Trade Levels. That's all it takes. Here's a pro tip: you can also place pending orders directly from the chart. Just right-click on your desired price level and choose a buy-sell limit or stop order. And that's it, you've successfully placed a pending order on MT5. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.